Good morning to all of you. Sri Praful Patel, Union Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. Sri S. Gopal Krishnan, President, Confederation of Indian Industry. Sri O.P. Rawat, Secretary to the Department of Public Enterprises. Sri B.P. Rao, Chairman, CII Council on Public Sector Enterprises, and CMD, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, M. Narayan Rao, Chairman, Steering Committee for CII, Global PAC Summit, and Chairman and Managing Director, Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited, Chandrajit Banerjee, Director General, Confederation of Indian Industry. It's my pleasure to be amidst you this evening to inaugurate the Global PAC Summit organized by Department of Public Enterprises and the Confederation of Indian Industry. It is an occasion to appreciate the valuable partnership provided by the public sector in India's development journey. It is also a forum to reiterate our commitment to strengthen the public sector. Ladies and gentlemen, public sector has played a stellar role in Indian economy after independence. The Constitution of India has guided our approach to public sector. One of the principles enshrined in the directive principles of the Constitution of India state, I quote, "The ownership and control of the material resources of the community are so distributed as best to subserve the common good," unquote. That the public sector was the core of our development program was underlined by the Industrial Policy Resolution of 1948 and 1956. The 1956 policy was unambiguous in assigning the leadership position to the public sector. It stated that the state will progressively assume a predominant and direct responsibility for setting up new industrial undertakings and developing transport facilities. Public sector has acted as the underpinning of our industrial development, operating across critical sectors such as mining, steel, basic and heavy machinery, and infrastructure. In an economy that had to be built up virtually from scratch, the public sector became the driving force to bring India into the group of manufacturing nations. An industrial sector that could produce only the simplest of goods was transformed into manufacturing and infrastructure heavyweight with the capacity to create complex and diversified range of products. The rapid industrial scale-up through the public sector boosted the confidence of Indians. Public sector enterprises emerged as the major employers, providing livelihood to millions of people. They promoted balanced regional development and contributed to welfare of the communities and societies where they operated. Over the years, several public sector enterprises have emerged as global companies, actively participating in innovative and strategic operations across all geographies. The contribution of our public sector to economic development is indeed seminal. Distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, The evolution of the public sector is a reflection of India's story of economic progress. Public sector started as the chosen instrument to usher in economic development. Economic advancement led to increasing presence of the private corporate sector with agile entities running on the advanced techno-managerial practices. The government became comfortable in withdrawing from the sectors that could be served well by the private sector. At the same time, building social sector assets like rural housing, rural energy called for the reorientation of the government's investment portfolio to maintain the fiscal balance.